Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. Alright, so what we're doing today is making a simple cream of mushroom soup. Delicious, tasty, nutritious. Alright, that's it. That's plain simple, basic recipe cream of mushroom soup. So I'm going to show you what you need. Let's have a look. So you need 40 grams of butter, 100 grams of mushrooms sliced. I have more because I want it to be a little bit more meaty. So I'd say this is about 200 grams. I think I've doubled the amount of mushrooms. It's a lot. Then what you need is 50 grams of plain 560 mils of chicken stock and 560 mils of milk. And then you've got about 70 mils, plus minus, I don't know, of fresh cream, double cream. Alright, let's get started. That's all you'll need. Okay, so the first thing we do is just melt butter in our pot. I'm going to cook our mushrooms until they're nice and soft. Let's go. There's our pot looking a little bit raunchy from the amount that I use it. Melt that butter on a low heat. Throw in your mushrooms. All of your mushrooms, yeah. And we fry them up until they're soft. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt and some black pepper. And that seasoning should carry through to the final flavour. Alright, once we've fried those up softly, we're going to gradually stir in our milk. We're then going to bring it to the boil and stir constantly. After all, it is milk. I'm an idiot. You're an idiot! I forgot to add the flour, so I'm going to risk it and add my flour now. Don't do this. Add your flour before this step. Add your flour and mix it in with your mushrooms after you have done their thing. Because now I've got lumpy soup. What a mistake that was. I should have just left it. Alright, but we're gonna now add our stock. Now that we've ruined it with putting lumpy flour in it, I might need to strain it. Add the stock and leave it to simmer for 15 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to leave that to simmer for 15 minutes and I will see you then. Right, check you in a bit. Okay, fantastic. So that has been simmering for 15 minutes. It's now time to serve up. Yum. I'm using an overly sized bowl. I'm getting a ladle and I'm just going to put it in. You don't really need to smooth this bit. Good, okay, that's done. And now we're going to serve it with a swirl of cream. Well, that's not quite a swirl, but just a dash. And I have some chopped basil as garnish. Yeah. Okay. And now, as always, it's time to taste the soup. I'm gonna have to put it down because that bowl is heavy and hot. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I always say this every time I cook, but really, that's delicious. Oh, and the basil is such a nice addition to it. I love it. Yum. Oh. That's so good. It's such a good soup. That's that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me on this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you tried this recipe. It's really good. So yum and so easy. Just remember to add the flour when you're frying up your mushrooms rather than after you've added your milk. I'm dumb sometimes. It's okay. We're all human. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye! Boom!